Welcome everyone, this is Sam from the Swarm product team. Today I've got a little surprise for you. It's a video on something that we've been working on for a little while. In the next few moments, I'll show you how our Swarm-powered AI agent turns complex blockchain tasks into one-click actions. We'll start by connecting a wallet, then we'll use the agent to instantly reveal its assets, transfer tokens to another wallet, create an offer on dOTC, then cancel it, and finally taking an offer. All streamlined and secure. Let's dive in and see what we've been working on. The first step is to connect a wallet. This is pretty much the same as connecting a wallet on the regular platform. I can now see that my wallet is connected and I can see the swap interface. Also, just for brevity, we'll be pausing the video just when the agent is thinking, so you're not sitting through anything that's too long and painful. Okay, first thing I want to do is see if the agent can show me the assets in my wallet. It's had a little think, and it's about to show me all the assets in my wallet. Here we go. You can see I've got a little bit of Apple, NVDA, a couple of other stocks and bonds, some USDC, SMT, and so on. Next, I'd like to demonstrate how the agent can interact directly with my wallet. Basically, what the agent is a different user interface to the usual point and click. In this case, we're just asking the agent to do certain things, and it has the same functionality as the UI over here. So to demonstrate that, let's see if we can transfer 10 SMT to an address. The agent has picked up the request. We can now see that MetaMask is showing on my screen, and I can confirm the transaction in my wallet. The transaction is now being sent, and we can see that it's been sent successfully. I'd now like to demonstrate interacting with the DoD system and seeing what offers there are. I'm interested in buying some NVDA, so I'm going to ask the agent if there are any offers to buy NVDA. It's had a little bit of a think, and now it should be displaying to me all the offers in the system that allow me to buy some NVDA. Okay, since I don't want to spend more of my hard-earned cash than I need to, I'm going to ask it if I can take the offer with the lowest price. There it is there, and it's asking me if I'd like to proceed with taking this offer. So let's say yes, and see what it does. Okay, it's now showing me the offer on the screen that I'd like to take. I can review it, and I can click take to initiate my MetaMask. The agent thinks I've already taken the offer, but I haven't just yet. I still need to confirm it in MetaMask. Let me do that. And that's already processed on chain now, and I can see that the offer has been successfully taken. I'd now like to see if I can make an offer. This time I would like to make an offer to sell 10 SMT at 10 USDC cents each. The agent has process my request and says it needs a little bit more information. For example, there are some optional parameters I might consider. So I'll allow partial orders Otherwise, I'm happy with everything else. Okay, in the UI, the agent is now showing me the offer for my review. 10 SMT, 1 USDC. Everything else looks good. Let's place the offer. And there it is, offer made. And to round it off, let's see if I can see all my offers and go ahead and cancel this one. So there it's showing me my offer that I just made along with the previous one, and I'm going to ask it to cancel the first offer. Again, it's initiated my MetaMask. I'll confirm it in the wallet, and the transaction's gone to the blockchain. Shortly it should be confirmed. There it is. And the offer will be cancelled. So this is the end of this demonstration video. This is an experimental tool that we've been working on for the last few weeks and wanted to demonstrate the direction that we see the Swarm platform going. We have a couple of product goals for this, mostly to make it available for anyone building an AI agent to include this tool in their framework. And that's something that we're going to pursue in the next few weeks, and we'll definitely keep the community updated on our progress. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.